you know, and I'm seeing kids who mom might be a, let's say, an alcoholic or crackhead, dad might be in prison. When they fucking go home, they don't have nobody on their fucking helmet to do their homework. They don't have nobody in the house to fucking help them, and they're in the neighborhood or living in apartments where there ain't shit going on but dumb shit.
But I grew up around the same environment.
So
we'll get what? Excuse me. What makes
so it's a difference.
Yeah, it's not really a difference.
Oh, I would say it is. I would say a kid raised in that environment thinks differently than me, and you and a kid raised in that environment.
I was raised in that environment.
Okay.
And I think
that's why we're from different, right?
I'm not dumb. I have
common
you're
sense. Different.
I know when I throw a rock at that house,
but that's
I'm gonna get a whooping, and the police might come, and I don't want them at my grandma's house. So I better not throw that rock.
So why do people shoot and kill people and cry about it? Like, oh, I wish I wouldn't have did that.
It could be many. It could be many reasons. Some of them have no heart. Some of them have no training. Some of them, like you said, some of that. But you got to think.
Yeah, see, training matters. If you have a better coach, we
go back.
Example. Yo, here we go. If you have a better coach in, let's say, track and field than the next team, whether you're a talented motherfucker, if you have a better coach than the next person, who's going to be better? Just like Phil Jackson or someone. You think the Lakers couldn't life, just like you and OGs who I was raised with.
So,
you know
look,
what I'm saying?
So what you're telling me this.
You told me not to gangbang.
Exactly.
Even though
why did I tell you not to gangbang though?
Because you had knowledge, I would say.
Exactly, knowledge of it.
Or you cared or had a heart or cared about me more than other motherfuckers.
I mean, basically it's on some stuff like how could you think about it? It's like that goes back to subject yourself to the situation you put yourself in. If I'm walking down the street and I see these guys getting in trouble all day and I choose to go hang around them, what you think I'm gonna do? My grandma told me if it's 10 dumb motherfuckers, you know what I mean? If it's 9 dumb motherfuckers, you're gonna be the 10th one if you hanging around 9 dumb motherfuckers. If you hanging around 9 smart people, you're gonna be smarter. Because they're not gonna be doing the same things that the dumb motherfuckers is doing. So you gotta pay attention. And excuse my language, but it's the truth.
Motherfucker, we can cuss on this.
I love to cuss, but I cuss on all my records. I'm just saying.
But yeah, I feel you. You know.
You know what I mean?
And I don't cuss on my records, right?
That's how it is. So you gotta think. If you can't blame. If I had to say we grew up around the same time, right? We had 2 different backgrounds when it comes to stuff, but I still have enough common sense to know. Oh, Jason has a cool situation. I have a cool situation. I'm not.
All right, we need a video, but I'm.